This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Aslanian. Deerfield's best-kept secret, beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom/2-bath home in wonderful maintained community, open floor plan, high-end upgrades, granite countertops, awesome cabinetry, porcelain tile throughout that looks like wood. This is true pride of ownership. Maintained community, private screen patio, secluded yard, tropical landscaping, hurricane protection on all windows, front door and new garage door. A great savings for your insurance. HOA includes lawn care, tree trimming, fertilization, sprinkler system. Enjoy the community pool, tennis court and handball close to all amenities. Super Target, Super WAL-MART 8 miles from award-winning Deerfield Beach and PIER. Enjoy upscale shopping at MIZNER Park and many eateries close to all major highways for easy traveling. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Aslanian at 954-369-0232.